Here's how I built an AI that knows everything about Formula One. So first, I need to collect a few URLs containing up-to-date information about Formula One. Next, I'm going to write a function to loop through each of the URLs and scrape the contents of each web page. And then I'm going to split the content into digestible chunks. You'll see why later. Now that all of the content has been scraped, I need to convert the chunks of text into data that can be stored in a vector database. Because this is what will allow us to search our up-to-date records to find the answer for something. To do this, I'm using one of OpenAI's embedding models to convert the sequences of text into arrays of numbers. But you don't have to use OpenAI, there are a bunch of free alternatives. With all of this data stored in the database, we're now going to write some code to allow us to ask some questions about Formula One. When a question is submitted, we're going to first generate an embedding of the message like we did previously. Now, using the vector database, we can search for chunks of information that closely match the wording of the question. For example, a query that contains who was the 2024 world champion will search for chunks which contain 2024 world champion and anything similar. So when the database returns similar documents, we can then use this information as context to generate a response using any large language model. Now let's give it a run to try it out. And boom! Now you can create AI applications with up-to-date information. If you want to break into tech, follow for more.